is crazy. It's crazy. I can't believe that there's like the two J pipes did that much of a difference. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be trying to fix some of the drone issue with my car. So since I took that resonator off, sounds way better, but the drone doesn't. So gonna be putting some J pipes on and see if that helps. But first, let's get a cold start. All right, so I'm heading to Home Depot right now. Got to go get some metal, but I was gonna show you, see if you could hear the bad drone. I mean, right there is pretty bad, but yeah, right around like 2,000 RPM. Right now is really, really bad. But anyways, this is kind of a before clip, and then we'll go to an after clip. Yeah, and I want to see how much of a difference it makes. Okay, guys, so I just went into Harbor Freight and ended up picking up a hole saw set and some floppy disks or flap wheels or whatever you want to call them. So ended up just picking that stuff up. Now I'm gonna head to the spot we're working on the car and get it in the air and see what we can't do. I ended up forgetting to get some like metal bar to help, have supports or support for the whole exhaust, but I think I'll be able to make do without. I have some other metal. We'll see if I can make work. If not, I'll go to Home Depot again, or I guess Jerry's, which is a place local to me. It's right down the road too, so I'll probably just go there. All right, so I got this pipe mostly ready, it's all test fit, it's all good. I'm just drilling the hole out in the exhaust now. I still need to weld the end cap on that, but as I was drilling that hole up under there, as you can see, almost all the way through, my drill here, it's a fully charged battery. It just took the crap. I mean, it was probably halfway done, but I also was using it in water yesterday, so that might be a contributing factor to the early death upon this drill, but that sucks. So I'm gonna get the rest of this plug out of here, and looks like I will be doing one side tonight. So I'm gonna get this out, and then hopefully Home Depot will warranty that, but I'm gonna get this guy out and then tack weld the exhaust into place, and from there I'm gonna drop the back of it so I can weld all the way up on the top of it and the bottom. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Just weld the end cap on this thing. I didn't knock the slag off or anything, doesn't really matter. Not necessarily the prettiest thing, but it'll do. So I got one side done partially. I have to drop the exhaust to weld the top part of it, but other than that, it's all done. The other side I'm not gonna be able to get to tonight because my drill took a crap and I need to get home because it was already like 8:30. But once I hop on doing the other side, I'll record. It'll probably be in a couple days, but hopefully I can get that all wrapped up. So far, even though I have a nasty exhaust leak, it's not nearly as bad as it was, and that was only one side, so I think by doing both sides it should sound pretty good. I'm excited to see how much of a difference it makes. Alrighty, so and this is like a week later now, maybe a little bit more, but I went to Home Depot to see if I could exchange this guy, and I can't, and it's done. It's done. I don't know why, but there's no more chooch in it. So I am going to end up mocking up my driver's side now because I did passenger side last time. I'm gonna mock this up, and in order to put the hole in for the exhaust, I think I'm gonna try and do it with a grinder. It might be a little janky, but at this point I have no other option, considering the other half-inch drill is also broken, and I don't want to go spend $130 right now. Maybe in a little bit, but not right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the car on jack and jack stands, and let's just dive into it, I guess. All right, so I got it all done. The pipes hang a little lower than I would have liked them to. The biggest thing is, though, they're even. So I got those in. You can see where they're connected up there. I had a little bit of a hard time trying to get them like angled the way I wanted to, with being able to go into the exhaust, the existing exhaust. Sorry, vehicles driving by. Anyways, with it going into the normal exhaust, so it actually wanted to like flow into the J-pipes, like the sound, the resonance or whatever. So I'm gonna throw some matte black paint on each one of those. It's not that noticeable, but then again, I really wish it wasn't visible. But let's go see how it sounds on the road, because that's really the true test. Right there was where all the majority of the drone was, and it is so much less than it was before. It is crazy. It is crazy. I can't believe that it is like the two J pipes did that much of a difference. Didn't change the note or the tone of my exhaust at all, which is really, really nice. But hopefully now when I'm on the freeway going up and down hills, it won't just shake your brain like crazy and give you a headache. All right, guys, so I'm heading home. I hope you can tell the difference on camera, between the before and after. Inside the car, the drone is so much less. It sounds like it changed my exhaust note from inside the car. It sounds a lot more tinny and kind of raspy. But from the outside, I had my friend drive it, and it sounds exactly the same. So it's kind of an illusion, because at first I was kind of unhappy with the way my car sounded, but really happy with the fact that it cut out all my drone. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys can, tell. Sorry, I got a notification. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I got more videos coming to you. So yeah, stay tuned.